Inspired by traditional masonry details and created with Napoleon's state-of-the-art gas fireplace technology, the Deluxe HDX40 offers the best in performance and design. The clean face front allows a full view of the impressive 40-inch width firebox with your choice of either fine detailed phaser logs and charcoal embers or a river rock ember bed. The exclusive nightlight accents the firebox even when the fireplace is off. The HDX40 offers 40,000 BTUs and a 43% flame heat adjustment for maximum comfort and efficiency. The perfect fireplace for larger rooms. No power? No problem. It also features fuel-saving electronic ignition with a battery backup, so it works even during power failures. And for added convenience, optional remote controls are available. A variety of decorative options are available, including a four-sided frame in painted black, brown, or pewter, as well as an optional faceplate with operable screen doors in a wrought iron finish. The interior firebox of the HDX40 can be finished with a traditional sandstone brick pattern or the Mayan desert sandstone pattern for a southwestern feel. Optional porcelain reflective radiant panels echo flames throughout the firebox, giving you 4 dramatic fires in one. And all Napoleon fireplaces come with the President's limited lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching.